Mission to the Moon 1969 with some parts in gold, 18 carats gold for a total of 11 grams. This is the Swatch made for Omega. It's a tribute to the icon Omega Speedmaster 1969 walking on the moon, and this time Swatch made something that is really incredible. We would never think that Swatch would make such type of watch. Very classy, very sporty, but at the same time very detailed, very carefully made. I would say that looking also the pictures, the detailing, that this is an incredible watch. I really wouldn't imagine to have a Swatch like that. I have several Swatch at home, but I never thought of something like this. It is a limited edition, and to buy one they will choose you. So you go to www.swatch.com and you apply for buying one, and then they will notify you if you can buy this. The price, as we saw, it's $570 US or 600 euros. So the price also, it's not a normal Swatch price, but as we can see, there is a lot of care in the treatment of materials. Also the back case, we can see that there is a special design philosophy applied to this Swatch that it becomes really, in my opinion, a collectible item, a timepiece. And I'm thinking probably to buy one. The three push buttons you see, they are made in gold. So there are some really nice features on this watch. It's a little bit of a surprise, but it's a very pleasant surprise for people that like watches that, like me. I would say that I might seriously think of buying one. Anyway, this one I like it a lot. Thank you. Put your like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Thank you.